I didn't have a choice because I didn't know that it was going to end up. I didn't know that.
Because of let's ring yam.
You see, you're embarrassing me like now.
Yo, what's happening? The Gaps here, and this is Spreading Entertainment on Save My Relationship. Today's episode is a tricky one. I've got Uthwale, who is married to Rebecca, and Sizozguti, and what is he complaining about? But there's some stuff cooking up. Let's get it on.
Hi, my name is Uthwale Mputi, and I wrote to save my relationship because I'm having a problem with the woman that I'm married with. Honestly, as of late, she's having such a high sex drive, it's driving me insane. So I just need some answers, if you could just help me.
Okay, we're back at it again, guys. This is Save My Relationship. On my side, Uthwale Lana, who has brought his wife, Rebecca, this side, and I would love to hear their side of the story. Rebecca Lana, I just want to find out, what do you think you're doing here?
I don't even know.
Do you know where you are?
I don't know, but I think I saw this show on YouTube.
Okay.
So, but I'm surprised, like, seeing my husband here, you know, next to me, and then, I'm surprised, like, everything.
Mm-hmm. All the cameras?
Yeah, all the cameras and stuff, like, I'm just surprised. I don't know.
Did you tell your wife that she needs to come here, and why?
No, I did not tell her.
Okay. Would you want to explain to her what she's doing here? Oh, do you know what this show is?
No, I don't know.
You only saw it on the YouTube and you couldn't even put it.
Passed, I just
Okay,
passed.
so this is Save My Relationship.
Yeah.
You understand? And from my look of things, your husband brought you to this show. I'm not so sure if you know why he has brought you here, but I want to find out for you. But before I do that to you, I want to find out, do you think there is anything that may have made him to come here?
Babe, but if there was any problem, we should just have solved it at home. Why are we here?
Is there any problems that you are admitting to already?
I don't know. What I know is my husband just, for the past few days, my husband has changed.
It's changed?
Yeah, he's changed.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Your wife is saying that you have changed, but you are the one that brought your wife here. Do you have anything in defense of what she's saying already, or you've got your own stuff that is going on that you would want to tell her?
No, actually, there is a reason why I brought her here.
Okay.
And I'm worried about you. What is going on, Rebecca, with you? I don't understand you as of late. Like, your sex drive is making me insane. Rebecca, your sex drive is different from what it used to be. We only lasted, Rebecca, our thing lasted about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now it goes on to 37 minutes, 40 minutes, like I'm tired. And the styles that you do as of late, I don't get it. Like, you're doing some insane styles. Like, it's out of this world. It's out of this planet. It's like Lionel Messi's skills. What is happening?
Babe, can't you see you're embarrassing me right now?
No, I'm not embarrassing.
No, you are embarrassing me.
I'm not embarrassing you.
Like, this thing was supposed to solve it private.
No. I cannot solve anything with you privately, Rebecca. The thing is, Rebecca, as of late, whenever I try to talk to you, you just push me on the bed. Kuhlu. You push me on the bed. Kuhlu. Rebecca, can we speak? No, we cannot speak. You go down on me. Rebecca, can we speak? You take my head. You put it down on you. Rebecca, what is going on with you?
Our in-laws might be watching this right now.
Forget about our in-laws,
No.
man. Forget about our in-laws.
What about
Okay.
our kids?
Forget about our in-laws. Can we just focus on why we came here? Can you just please solve this problem?
Let me get this straight here. I know other men are complaining that their wives are not really giving them enough. Are you complaining that it is too much?
I am complaining, sir. This is too much. This woman is going to kill me. This woman is a literal sex champion. I promise you. If she can take you to that room, you will get out of there in about an hour and run straight 3 kilometers.
All right. May I ask something? Has it always been like this?
No, it has not always been like this. Like I'm saying to you, when our marriage began, it was very nice because we used to have about 2 rounds. Each round is 1 minute and 30 seconds.
1
And that's
minute,
it.
30
We are
seconds.
done. But now, now it goes close to an hour. It can even pass an hour before I notice. And I'm trying to breathe. I'm breathing hard. No, whenever I breathe hard, she goes hard on me. Harder. Rebecca!
Okay, wait. Calm down. What is going on?
Okay, I'm just gonna be honest right now. What happened is things have been hard at all.
Don't cry, and just try. I know.
Yeah, like
I
you
know
always
how
say,
tense
harder,
this
harder,
is.
harder.
Hold on, sir. Just relax and
Like,
just.
what about our kids? Our kids or in-laws, like everyone is watching right now.
Do you think your kids are
You
not
didn't
complaining?
even think about that?
Do you think your kids are not complaining? Your kids are complaining. They're saying, Daddy, you and Mama playing too much. When we are sleeping,
Please stop.
you are making noise.
Stop.
I'm saying, Rebecca, tone down.
Please
I don't know what
stop.
happens when you go up,
Okay,
Rebecca, on your
okay.
toe.
Let me understand this, Rebecca. Has your sex life always been a hype like the way he's explaining it since the beginning?
Okay. I'm just gonna be honest. Babe, I'm not proud of what I did.
Last night.
No, like yonkinto, like I'm not proud of what I did. Like everything that is happening right now, I'm regretting. Okay.
What is going on?
Please, babe, I just want you.
Don't baby me. Do baby.
Like, try and explain what's going on.
Okay. The thing is, things are not going well at home. Like, let me just say we're suffering. Like when it comes to finances, like things are not going well.
Okay.
And sometimes, like it's hard to put food on the table. So what happened is, babe.
What does this have to do
Wait,
with your sex drive,
wait,
Rebecca?
babe.
Rebecca, what does this have to do with your sex drive? Rebecca, ukuluma manga on a public platform.
What?
Rebecca, uyazibona ukuthi ukhuluma manga on a public platform.
let's hear what-
Uhlanganisa izinto ezingahlangani. What does this have to do with your sex drive? Ubani okufundisa le itayila lezo sowungenzela zona kulamalanga?
What?
Babe, please.
Ubani owakufundisa women on tops? Bongayazi wena women on tops.
Okay, I'll talk.
Idog style wena boyigoba kanje. Manje so uyayiwaiver. I'm tired of this thing.
Okay, guys, let me
Rebecca,
talk.
you can
Let
bang
me
as
just
of
say
late.
the truth.
Justin, like I sense his consent. At first when he spoke, I thought he's being crazy. Why would someone complain about such a thing? But I'm getting where he's coming from right now. Like there is something that is off.
Okay.
What's going on, Rebecca?
Okay, so things have not been going well at all.
She's repeating the same thing.
Yes.
She's repeating the
allow
same
me
thing.
to talk.
My brother,
Let's-
you
Allow
cannot
me to
focus
talk.
at work. When you
Please
went
hear
3
me
hours
out.
straight from 12 o'clock midnight. Voo, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. I have to wake up and go to work. When I get to work, I'm ngitoba my fish.
People in front
of
Because
the
I can't
camera.
focus. Ngiyalala emsebenzini. I can't focus because of Rebecca.
I think-
Okay, let me just say it. Please hear me out.
Let's hear what she has to say about this.
Hear me out.
Maybe she's got a proper explanation for this.
Yes, maybe. Let's hear her.
Okay, like I said before, I'm not proud of what I did, but whatever I did it for my family. So the thing is, things are not going well at home.
Okay.
And then our first child is not going to school.
Okay.
Like, things are not well. So what happened is I've been trying, looking for a job, and these days to find a job is difficult.
Are you saying you are stressed too much? That's why you're having too much sex?
Yes.
Huh?
No.
Huh?
No. Wait, please.
Let's give her a chance.
Wait. So the thing is, I've been trying to look for a job, but anguthola umsebenzi. So one of my friend It's so embarrassing, but
Relax. This is a platform.
Suphuza impeso.
Remember, he's
baphuzisa impeso
he's
labangani.
pouring
Ngakuthela
out.
ngalabangani bakho uhamba nabo.
He's pouring
Wake
out.
wambona umfazi uphuza impeso.
okay.
Ngoba umfazi uhlanya nje natural. Mase uphuza impeso umfazi uzohlanya kokugcina. Rebecca.
We're not supposed to talk about this here.
Hey,
But
Rebecca.
maybe he needs help.
Okay. So what happened is, one of my friends introduced me to a sangoma.
Ngitheni?
Okay.
So
Ahlisa umoya bafo. Simuza ukuthi uthini.
So what happened is, I didn't have a choice because of the problems we're facing at home, babe, and I said yes. Then, you know.
Yes. Yes. What?
Yes.
What?
We went to the sangoma, and then.
Me and you.
No. With my friend, we went to the sangoma. Then the sangoma said there were three options of me becoming rich, and then the first option was blood sacrifices. So. Like I said, babe, I'm not proud of what I did, but I did for my family. Yeah, okay, babe. So what happened is the sangoma said that there's blood sacrifice. That's the first thing, and then the second thing is sleep with a snake, and then babe, like let me just talk. And then the last one was. Like having a sex with 5 men a day. Babe.
Rebecca, uzongibulala. Rebecca, you can see ukuthi South Africa uDonald Trump usimunke ama-ARVs wena ulala namadoda ayi-5 uyihashilo omjaqo uyagijima you have become a Mustang uyagijima uzubona ukuthi abantu bayafa eSouth Africa.
I'm sorry, babe. Like,
we are out of contraceptives in the country. We are out of ARVs in the country.
Sorry.
Supply ayikho eSouth Africa. Rebecca ufuna ngife.
I'm sorry. No, babe. Like,
Rebecca ufuna ngife.
I did it for our kids. I wanted the
Rebecca ufuna ngife.
You know, I wanted our child
My brother,
to go to school.
can I just do this
No,
simply for us?
Babe.
Rebecca,
Babe, no, please don't do that.
Rebecca ufuna ukungibulala.
Babe,
Rebecca
I
wena
still love
waqala
you.
wafuna ukungibulala
I still love you.
nge-high sex drive. Every night.
Babe, we can go to church
Every day. Hey,
babe, like,
Rebecca,
okay, I have no choice.
Rebecca, hamba uqhubeka namadoda akayi-5.
No,
Nife,
no,
Rebecca,
babe,
ngoba
like,
phelile ama-ARVs
babe,
in the country.
when they
There are no
told-
ARVs.
when they told-
Rebecca,
babe,
Rebecca.
Baby, please, let me explain. Like, I didn't know that.
Rebecca!
Babe!
Rebecca, I got suspended at work because of you. I got suspended because ngangidobha amafish. Because of let's ring yam. Mfethu. Wemfethu, uyangibona ukuthi
Akakulwisi.
uyangilwisa. Rebecca.
Mamela,
Mina
sifuna
ngicela
ukuthi
ring yam. Angilwi nawe bhuti.
Babe,
Angilwi nawe. Uyabona ukuthi ungakanani? Angeke vele mina.
ngiyakuzwa sikhulu sami.
Ngicela nje iring yam.
we can still go to church and so.
Hey, akuna go to church la.
Babe, like,
uNkulunkulu akabafuni abantu abafana nawe.
I didn't know that it
uNkulunkulu
was
akabafuni
gonna
abantu
end up
abafana nawe.
like,
Buza
I didn't know that it
Enigma
was
will tell
gonna
you
end
ukuthi
up
uNkulunkulu
like
akabafuni abantu
this.
abafana.
I didn't know, babe.
Rebecca, bring my
I didn't
ring.
know that it was gonna end up like this. You know, they told me that like if I don't do it, they'll kill our son. So please, babe, I had no choice. I didn't know that it was
Nyambona
gonna end
uRebecca.
up like this.
Nyambona uRebecca
Babe,
ukuthi
I'm so
sekenzeni.
sorry.
Sekafake
Please
nomntwana ethe
forgive
engozini.
me. No,
Sekafake
please
nomntwana ethe
forgive me,
engozini.
babe.
What must I do?
Babe, we can still solve this.
What must I do?
Babe,
What must I do now?
Babe, we can go to church.
Must I come down?
No, we
Ufake umntwana
can
engozini.
go to church and then we can find isn't there pastors and prophets? We can still solve this, babe.
Abangcwele bakaNkulunkulu ufuna
Babe,
ukubangcolisa.
and trust me.
Ungcolile Rebecca. Let's ring yam.
No, babe.
Rebecca. Rebecca.
Babe, please.
Uyabona manje?
Our child.
Yabona manje, yabona ukuthi ngakanani. La madoda lawa ngizowaguga Rebecca.
Babe, our
Ngizowaguga Rebecca. Nawe ngizokuguga Rebecca.
Kancane mfethu. Kancane. Hlisa umoya.
Rebecca.
Babe, our
Yabona
But guys. Jesus.
Kwenzekani kanti? Kufika njani uthi kufika endaweni so?
Yeah. So you mean it's over? Like
Angazi mina umuntu
there's
wakho.
nothing you can do.
Listen. This is umuntu wakho. You are the one that can explain to him ukuthi why is this thing happening. But mina ngokuzibuzela kwami, why does it have to come to this? So how do you want us to solve this?
Please help me talk to my husband. I love my husband so much. And for the sake of the kid.
How many kids do you have together?
Okay, we have 2 kids.
Ngathi there's some stories there also. What's going on? You have 2 kids. Do you have 2 kids together?
Me and him, we've got 1 kid.
Well, now you've got 2 kids.
No, 1.
Alone.
Yeah, and then 1 with him.
So you've got 2 kids.
Yeah.
He knows that both of these kids. Does he know that he's got only 1 kid with you and 1 kid is not his?
Yes, he knows.
Sure.
When we got married, I was a single mother.
Okay.
Yeah.
But what led to this? Because you can see him. He got suspended because he's sleeping at work.
To be honest, I thought maybe my husband doesn't like my son. Because my son is the one who's not going to school, while
or the one that you have together
yes,
is
the one
going to
we have
school.
together is going to school. So I feel like he's not putting any effort. So I had to act like a mother and
sleep with a sangoma.
No, I didn't sleep with a sangoma, but
I'm not judging you, but I can relate where he's coming from. I can see his pain. Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
Yeah.
It's not going to be a very easy thing for us ukuthi simlandelele umuntu wakho samukhuluma naye. Ngithi yabona manje sisimfake ne-security yethu, which is something that will piss him off, especially in front of cameras.
Guys, I don't know what to do right now. Like, I feel like right now, if I go back home, like, he's gonna kill me.
This is a tough one, guys. I have no idea how I can help these 2 couples. As you could see, the husband, we had to ask security to ask him to escort him out. Besefuna ukuhluthi iringi. Angazi nokuthi bezobamba lesandla sihlithiza ayenzeni ngaso. So we had to ask him to leave. And nangu lo mala uyakhala. I have no idea how we can resolve this. But I know that most of you might know what needs to be done in this case. Is it that the husband should just leave? Or they should just try and work things out? Would love you guys to comment and share this so that we can get help. It's not always that we can get a solution for our couples, but it is what it is. Peace.